Welcome to Niagara Falls. Today we're exploring the American side of one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders. We'll take you through Niagara Falls State Park, the oldest state park in the United States, and show you the best views, trails, and experiences for your visit. Each year, more than 8 million people visit Niagara Falls State Park, so it's important to plan ahead. Parking can get busy, especially during summer and weekends. The park has multiple parking lots, some of which are paid and some free, depending on where you enter and how close you want to be to the falls. From the parking areas, you'll walk into Niagara Falls State Park. Our first stop is the Visitor Center, the perfect place to grab a map, talk with the park staff, and plan your day. The park has been welcoming visitors for more than 140 years and is beautifully maintained. Just a short walk from the Visitor Center, you'll find one of the park's most famous sites, the American Falls. Standing at the overlooks, you can watch thousands of gallons of water plunge over the edge every second.
285,000 gallons of water go over that fall.
All of them
per
or just
second.
that one?
Just that one.
Wow. Crazy.
Second.
Crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
Per second! It's the perfect first up-close view of Niagara's power. One of the great things about Niagara Falls State Park is how easy it is to navigate. The park has excellent signage and detailed maps posted throughout, so it's simple to find your way between attractions, overlooks, and trails. Whether you're headed to Goat Island, Terrapin Point, or just exploring the riverside paths, the signs make it easy to know where you are and what's nearby. Next, crossing the pedestrian bridge, you'll head over the Niagara River to Goat Island. From the bridge, you can already feel the power of the river rushing toward the falls. It's an amazing transition point as you make your way deeper into the park. Once on Goat Island, you'll come to Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest of the three, but no less spectacular. This is also where the Cave of the Winds experience begins. Even though we didn't take the tour, you can see the entrance and imagine what it's like to stand just feet from the thunder. Continuing across Goat Island, you'll arrive at Terrapin Point, one of the best vantage points on the American side to view Horseshoe Falls.
675,000 gallons per second, or 2,555,150 liters per second. That's a lot of water.
This is the largest of the three waterfalls, and the roar of the water here is unforgettable.
Well, very loud and it's very wet today, but it's still really cool.
Before the water makes its dramatic drop, the Niagara River flows smoothly from upriver. On the American side, you'll see it speeding up as it nears the edge. Looking across, you can also watch the river leading toward the Canadian side, building power before it plunges over Horseshoe Falls. Another iconic attraction of the park is the Maid of the Mist boat tours. We didn't ride this visit since it was too cold, but it's still fun to watch the boats navigate into the mist at the base of the falls. You really get a sense of scale when you see how tiny the boats look next to the waterfalls. From the overlooks, you can also spot the Rainbow Bridge, which connects the United States and Canada. It's another reminder that these falls are shared by two countries and draw millions of visitors from around the world. One of the best parts of visiting the American side is how walkable it is. The park has miles of trails, bridges, and overlooks that make it easy to see the falls from different perspectives. Niagara Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's an adventure, a history lesson, and a natural wonder all rolled into one. From American Falls to Goat Island, from Terrapin Point to the Rainbow Bridge, this is truly a bucket list destination. Thanks for joining us on our tour of Niagara Falls State Park. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more family adventures on This Mobile Life.